Welcome to this special Law of Attraction video where we're talking about mega manifestation. How to really catapult your manifestation to the next level. Hello everyone, Robert Zink.
And Rachael Zink.
And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle in the direction of our dreams and our goals. And we're focused on mega manifestation. We have a secret weapon today that we really want to emphasize, and it's a weapon that people kind of skim over when they're reading books, when they're learning the law of attraction and how to manifest. If you will apply this, I promise you, you'll just explode your manifestation.
And if you're a regular podcast listener, you might be able to even guess what we're talking about today because we mention it in almost every podcast.
We're talking about gratitude. But before you turn off the video, listen, we have something special. We're going to combine Shamanic Tapping and Release, our tapping system, along with a special method of gratitude to help you manifest what you absolutely desire. But Rachael, we were talking about gratitude, and we listened to some other podcasters. Gratitude is really the key. And I was struck by a number of examples from the life of Jesus, but there are other examples. How important is gratitude to manifesting just happiness, if nothing else?
Well, if you're not grateful for what you do have, why would anybody or anything or the universe or God give you more? If you can't make use of what you have and be appreciative and grateful, then you're not being responsible to acquire even more.
Yeah, so when you're excited, when you're grateful for what you have, you're kind of sending out a vibration to the universe, and the infinite field says, oh, this is what they're happy with. Let's give them more of it.
Yeah, and when you're dissatisfied with everything, you send out this vibe that nothing is ever good enough for you.
Yeah, and so you receive very little as well. And we run into people like that all the time who are they're discontent with life, they're not happy, they're not excited, they're not motivated. And I just want to share this little story from the Bible. Now, you don't have to be a Christian to appreciate this story. And that was when Jesus was speaking to the multitudes, they got hungry. And at the end of the day, they found a basket with 3 or 4 fish in it and a couple loaves of bread, which was not enough to, help out or feed 15,000 people who were likely there watching him and listening to him all day, who were hungry. So the apostles brought him this basket of food. This is all we could round up. And you could almost feel in reading the text that the apostles were not grateful. But Jesus, before he multiplied, before the manifestation took place, before he activated the law of attraction, what did he do?
He gave thanks and was grateful for what he did have.
Yeah, that's so beautiful. Just think about that. He didn't have enough to feed 15,000 people, but he gave thanks for what he did have.
And he even, in his thankfulness, he raised his vibration above the others around him and the disbelief of the apostles.
Yeah. That example expresses everything when it comes to the law of attraction. When you are absolutely filled with gratitude and happiness and motivation and passion for what you do have, you can just almost count on the fact that more is coming your way. You're attracting more, and you're doing it faster than normal. Now, in Shamanic Tapping and Release, we haven't talked about it too much, but we have a few videos out on it. We kind of skip the negative stuff. You know, in EFT, they will tap out negative energy. But our belief is that it's not about tapping out negative energy. There are other systems for doing that. It's about amplifying and tapping in your beliefs that are positive and optimistic and resourceful and grateful. We don't want to emphasize negatives.
No, and when you fill yourself with positive affirmations and gratitude, there's no room for negativity, because your body as a cup is so full of positive things that the negative just kind of displaces and leaves.
Yeah, I've seen people where they're tapping and they're doing a negative and it actually becomes an affirmation. It doesn't leave, it gets worse. So I'm not putting down any other system. If it works for you, please continue using it. But in Shamanic Tapping and Release, we only tap in positive thoughts. Now, in this particular system that we're using based on gratitude, we have what we call our meta level, which is a statement that we use every time. I am. Notice it starts out with those two words, I am.
Those are very powerful manifesting words.
Absolutely.
It puts you in state in the present moment.
I am grateful for all that I have received and continue to receive. Now that's your general meta statement. And so we're going to do that at every tapping point. I am grateful for all that I have received and continue to receive. But now we're going to take a deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth, kind of clear. And now we're going to continue with something that we are grateful for in our past. Hey, it can be that little red wagon you received when you were 5. Something that you are grateful for in your past. Now, if you're in a relationship, you might be talking about an experience, a dinner, a date, a vacation, something like that. Something you are grateful for in the past. And then next, you're going to take a deep breath. And you're going to be grateful for something in the future. And you're going to speak about it in present tense. Can you give an example of this, Rachel?
So in the present, you can say, I am grateful for the home that I live in.
So let's say you're buying a house and you don't have the house yet, but you're looking to buy this new home. So you would say, I'm grateful for the home that I live in. Okay? You're not saying, I'm grateful for the home that I'm going to get. You say it in present tense. You take something in the future and you state it in present tense. Make sense? Okay. So meta level first, then past, and then what we call future present. You take something in the future and you make it present. If you will do this twice a day, I mean, this is an absolute game changer in your life and in what you are manifesting, how fast you are manifesting. So let's just go through it real quickly for them. And you put in your own words. Are you ready? Take a deep breath. Feel that nice, clean air. I'll start off the first one. I am grateful for all that I have received and continue to receive. And now, take a deep breath. And now, I want you to think of something in your past that you're grateful for. And state it out loud. Take a deep breath. And now, something in the future that you desire to manifest, but stated in present tense. I am, I enjoy, we are, that kind of thing. Doesn't that feel good? Now we'll go to the next tapping point.
I am grateful for all that I have received and continue to receive. Take a deep breath. I am grateful for something in my past. Take another deep breath. I am grateful for something in my future, something you're going to manifest. But say it as it is right now. I am.
And we'll go to the next tapping point, right here. I am grateful for all that I have received and continue to receive. Take a deep breath. And now say that you are grateful for something in your past. It can be the same thing, by the way, or it can be something unique and different each time. Tap that into your energy field. Now take a deep breath. And now you're going to focus on being grateful and feeling that gratitude for something in the future that you are going to speak about in present tense. Wonderful. Good. Take a deep breath.
I am grateful for all that I have received and continue to receive. Take a nice deep breath. Now pick something from your past that you're grateful for. Take a nice deep breath. And pick something from the future and make it present tense. Another nice deep breath.
We'll go to the next tapping point. I am grateful for all that I have received and continue to receive. Take a deep breath. Now, express something aloud from the past that you are grateful for. And let's take another breath. And now something in the future that you are manifesting, but stated in present tense. And that breath, of course. Okay, next tapping point.
I am grateful for all that I have received and continue to receive. Take a nice deep breath. And pick something from your past that you're grateful for. Another nice deep breath. Pick something from the future that you're manifesting and say it in present tense. Nice deep breath.
And we'll go to the next tapping point right on the collarbone there. There you go, right in close. I am grateful for all that I have received and continue to receive. Let's take that deep breath. And now focus on something in the past that you are grateful for. Remember to state it aloud, don't just think it. and now. Something that you are manifesting in the future, but stated in present tense. And take that deep breath. Ah, that feels good. And on to the next tapping point.
I am grateful for all that I have received and continue to receive. Nice deep breath. And be grateful for something in your past. Another nice deep breath. Pick something that you will see in your life from the future. Make it present tense and be grateful for it. Another nice deep breath.
Now let's rub our hands together. Feel how your energy field has shifted already. And put your hands about an inch apart. And now 2 inches, 4 inches, and feel the energy in between your hands. Feel that energy. Even if you can't feel it, just know that it's there. It's clear, it's white, it's pure life force. It flows from the infinite field of potential through you, and it's now in between your hands. And raise it above your head. Pull it down slowly. I am grateful
For all that I have received.
And continue to receive. Feel yourself receiving. Oh, it feels absolutely wonderful. Now, a few little suggestions. When you breathe in through your nose, breathe in through your nose, that's what I was going to say. Because by breathing in through your nose, you won't be hyperventilating, but also you'll increase the nitric oxide in your body, which is good for you and helps you expand your energy field. Also, I think it's important to go slowly. Now, we went through this pretty fast, but take your time with it. And I think it's a good idea to know in advance what experiences in the past you're going to be grateful for. And focus on one future present tense experience that you're going to focus on through the whole experience. Does that make sense? Did I explain
Absolutely.
that okay?
Yeah.
I'm not sure if I explained it okay. So
Make it your own, you know. This is a basic instructional video. Take your time with it. If you have questions, you can always write them down below.
Yeah, write your questions. We'll be happy to answer. I'm really convinced that this system of combining the shamanic tapping with your affirmations and gratitude, kind of all combined together, I mean, it's just unstoppable. It's going to magnify your manifestation abilities like overnight, very quickly, very fast.
So we appreciate you watching this video, and be sure to subscribe and click that bell icon so the next time we go live, you'll be there.
Yeah, okay. Have a great day now because you deserve it. Bye-bye.